Traditional freezing technology is inefficient, and production of multiple packaging forms requires frequent switching of production lines, severely limiting production efficiency. To establish a comprehensive production base covering the entire chain from aquaculture to processing, cold chain logistics, and sales. iSource, CBFI, caters to the core requirements of the entire process from live fish to quick frozen fish fillets. Custom designed a double spiral quick freezing system fully compatible with production requirements of multi-product line. The insulated panels utilize German polyurethane foam raw materials to construct an excellent closed-cell insulation structure. Features 304 stainless steel internal shrink mesh belt has a strength that meets the American Ashworth strength standards. Suitable for aquatic product processing applications. The main and auxiliary drives utilize helical gear hardened tooth surface reducers, delivering outstanding transmission efficiency with stable and durable performance. The double helix design effectively extends the product freezing path, meeting the freezing efficiency requirements of multiple product lines. Maximize the retention of the fresh and delicious taste of fish meat while enabling efficient and compatible production across multiple product lines. Over 2 decades of accumulated expertise in food processing industry, iSource, CBFI, has delivered high-efficiency refrigeration solutions for over thousands of enterprises. Empowering end-to-end production chain with professional customization capabilities, making every frozen food product more valuable.